They got this is a ground unit. They have they got an upstairs unit too. Y'all go walk around real quick. We're gonna go look at lunch.
What is the rent on this?
Then for lunch, Trevor's right out there. You go.
Spacious.
It is. Okay, so this is I guess this would be, okay. I thought it was connected to the back. I don't know.
That's how I thought that was one. That's just a little surprise too.
Okay. I thought the bedroom was connected to the bath, but they kept it simple. They kept it simple.
All right, so different, all right?
Yes, sir.
It's going forward. All right, the developer, you know what I'm saying, built. We get what we got. Some of the things we have a backsplash, we got countertops, cabinetry, you know what I'm saying? The floor all throughout, the floor. These right here, this even less money to get it right. Just less money you have to spend on to get it right. So this is a property that I'm actually gonna move into, because I got a property that's called along, but I'm not gonna get this one, because this is closer for me for the airport. That's what's most important to me. I got airport in 15 minutes. What are the rents on this right here?
This one's $21.99.
Yeah, and this right here is, you know, when I say, you know, and we got a lot of rooms too, right? Like those rents can go up. They're gonna go up, right? Rent's gonna go up. But like I said, you know, they have to be amenities and things like this. This when I think about having remember, when we're doing, like you say, opportunity, to be able to know someone that's buying properties like this, because not a lot of people buying properties like this, and you're looking for the gateway to get and add properties like this into your portfolio, all right? Remember, the game is, you understand the traditional investments, that's cool, that's for everyone. That's for 90%. You want to be able to do what the 10 or 1% people are doing, how they create their wealth. A lot of people say, hey, you create your wealth for real estate. All millionaires are made by real estate. Yeah. We got that. They're not talking about the real estate that you buy 2, 3, 4, 5 properties. Can you get there? Yes. But what he's saying, true wealth is built off commercial real estate, industrial hotels, multifamily. That's where the wealth is really built at, because you can get there much quicker than having 5 or 6 single villas or, you know, single family houses. No, I'm not knocking it. That's the stepping stone that I took. But there is a graduation level there, you know what I mean? Once you graduate from the single family, we're all stretching out the headaches, we get you one large asset, and then we hire a great team, and they're gonna make sure the property is being managed right. You don't gotta worry about legal falses and all those things like that. All right, this is part when pretty much you sit back and get ownership, you collect the K1, collect income every month, and the property appraisal, and you repeat, you continue to repeat. You'll no longer, you know, take the $1,600 rent, paying $1,200, make $400, gotta replace a roof and a hot water heater. All right, so those days are gone. Remember, those houses are appraised. Prices are set based off of appraisals. Multifamily is set by what? Market. No.
Cap rate?
What is it? Y'all have one of my groups right here. Net operating income divided by cap rate equal purchase price. NOI, cash flow. The much of the cash flow, the more the property worth. We don't care about appraisals. Do we care about appraisals for single family? Yes. Do we care about multifamily? No. You have the exact same asset right across the street, getting way more cash flow, and it's going to be the exact same product, exact same year, exact same fixtures. We're going to look at NOI divided by the cap rate. That's what someone's going to pay for. All right. So that's why we love multifamily. All right.
So Dave, for an A-class asset like this, what would you do to increase your NOI?
A perfect question, man. So what happened when you? Great question. You got everything, right? What happened? What is she gonna do? What's she gonna do? She's gonna go out and she's gonna look at the rents. I'm gonna increase rents year over year. That's all. It's a rent increase game. Then 3%, 5%, whatever the market. When COVID happened, rents. What did rents in when the market went up? How did y'all see rents increase when the market went up? it wasn't the standard 2 or 3%, right?
No.
It shot up, right? 8, 12.